My Sundays without anything soup in this house is not Sunday. So today I'm going to share with you another simple soup recipe, and this time we are making fresh tilapia light soup. This was easy, delicious, and you will love it. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lina, and on this channel or page we make cooking recipes, and also currently we are losing weight, so we make some chips. If that is what you are interested, please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. Thank you so much. So I washed my tilapia very well with salt water and lemon juice, okay, fresh lemon juice. And after I washed it, I wipe the water from it with my paper towel. Then all those ingredients that you saw on the screen earlier, that is what I'm using to marinate it. I will let it stay for an hour, okay? And whilst that, we have our tomatoes, carrot, garden eggs, and my bell peppers. I'm just going to blend it and welcome back. Strain it very well, add some water, and if you want it very thick, you can even decide not to strain it. Thank you so much for your time. So if you've watched me till this point and you're interested in my content, please, what are you waiting for? Smash on the red subscribe button and the bell icon, and also follow me for more videos. It is actually free. So after 1 hour, the fish has marinated. I've added it to my soup, and the soup was on fire for 20 minutes and before I added the fish. I will let it stay for a while and then add my turkey berries. I forgot to add it to the vegetables we blended earlier, so that is what I've added it to the soup, and it took the soup to another level. It added some taste and made it more healthy. Thank you so much for your time, and I do appreciate it. After 8 minutes, we added the fish. The fish is doing very well in the soup. And as you can see, the soup looks so good. Okay, I'll go ahead and add my cucumbers, add some carrots, pepper, garden eggs. You can omit it if you don't want it, okay, and wait for a while. So this is how our soup looks, and trust me, oh my goodness, it already looks so delicious, very delicious. Now you can go ahead and add any seasoning that you want, but I did not add any seasoning because the one I added to the fish earlier was enough. And after some few minutes, our soup is ready. So I removed the fish, divided it into two because he will enjoy the fish twice, okay, and that will allow me, the Soup Drinkers Association, to have access to the soup. Thank you so much for your time. See you in the next one.